First, we will show you how to adjust video parameters. Enter the DJI FPV Goggles menu, select Settings, and enter the Recording Settings page. Here, you can change the recording format, both aircraft goggles. To achieve the best flight experience, set the video resolution and frame rate to 1080p by 60 fps or 720p by 120 fps for the air unit. Currently, the DJI FPV goggles only support recording at 720p by 60 fps. Next, we will show you how to play back videos recorded by the DJI FPV goggles. Enter the video playback page in the DJI FPV Goggles menu and choose the video you want to view. You can adjust volume as well as fast forward and rewind while playing the video. If you want to see videos recorded by the air unit, remove the micro SD card from the air unit and insert it into the goggles. Follow the steps mentioned above for playing videos on your goggles. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.